So the AMOS was built to answer the call for what the warfighter needed on the front lines, but also be able to be used in a lab situation to where the guys on the front lines could have the same printer that the guys in the labs do. The biggest thing they were calling for were drones and in-use parts to get them back up, like critical components back up and going. And so the AMOS was built to be able to print drones, but also print metal replacement materials to replace parts on the front lines to keep the warfighter in the fight. Big thing is when you're looking at other companies that are backed by venture capital and stuff like that, the bottom line is, hey, we need to make a profit. Well, we're all self-funded. We haven't taken any money from anybody. We wanted to make sure that everybody who needed the printer could procure the printer easily and it not be this crazy contract process. So we did that, but we also made it to where there's no real proprietary parts on the printer. This printer was in Europe. There's 30 different 3D printing supply shops that can supply every part that can go wrong. This is in Taiwan, same situation. We wanted to make sure that wherever you were in the world, you can maintain your printer and keep it operational. But also, if for some reason we disappeared in 5 years, you didn't have a paperweight. You always kind of hope to be acknowledged for the work you're doing. You kind of just sit there and the way I've described it in the past is you take everything, you pour your blood, sweat, and tears into something and you throw it into the abyss and you hope that somebody acknowledges it. And you throw a lot into the abyss before someone sees it. So being recognized is something that, it's not something you expect, it's not something you strive for, because at the end of the day I just wanted to make cool stuff, but being acknowledged for the work is significant. I'm Joseph Podgorski and I'm a Northwest Indiana innovator.